Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P0716, relates to the input turbine speed sensor A, which measures the rotational speed of the torque converter in the continuously variable transmission, CVT system. This sensor provides critical data to the engine control module, ECM, allowing it to optimize engine performance, shifting patterns, and overall fuel economy. An issue with this circuit can stem from an electrical malfunction rather than any mechanical failure within the transmission itself. Understanding how the sensor operates and its importance to the transmission helps pinpoint potential problems early. The circuit's performance is vital for efficient vehicle operation, particularly under varying driving conditions. This guide will help you troubleshoot the specific issues related to the P0716 error code. The input turbine speed sensor A is a vital component located within the CVT of the Honda Fit. Its primary function is to monitor the rotational speed of the torque converter. By communicating this information to the engine control module, ECM, it plays a crucial role in determining optimal shift points and improving fuel efficiency. When this sensor signals an irregularity, it can lead to poor transmission performance. The P0716 code indicates that the circuit is experiencing a range or performance issue, which is typically the result of electrical problems rather than mechanical failures. Effective diagnosis is crucial to restore proper functioning of the transmission and ensure vehicle reliability. The P0716 code can arise from several possible causes, primarily linked to electrical issues. One common culprit is a malfunctioning electrical circuit, which can disrupt the signal flow between the turbine speed sensor and the engine control module, ECM. Additionally, poor connections or loose terminals in the wiring harness can lead to intermittent signals, exacerbating the circuit's performance issues. In some cases, the torque converter turbine speed sensor itself may be defective and may need replacement. It's essential to carefully check all connections and wiring, as well as the sensor functionality, to effectively address the code. Correctly identifying the root cause allows for a targeted repair, ensuring the vehicle operates smoothly. When the P0716 DTC is triggered, the most noticeable symptom is typically the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard. Drivers may also experience erratic or unpredictable shifting patterns, leading to a less smooth driving experience. This inconsistency can manifest as sudden jerks or delays when shifting gears. Additionally, the vehicle may display poor overall performance, including reduced acceleration or fuel efficiency, as the ECM struggles to effectively manage engine parameters without accurate data from the turbine speed sensor. Recognizing these symptoms early can prevent further complications and costly repairs down the line, making timely diagnosis crucial. The first step in troubleshooting the P0716 code is to ensure the vehicle's ignition is in the on mode before beginning diagnostics. Using a Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, the next action is to clear the stored diagnostic trouble code. This resetting of codes allows for fresh data to be gathered during testing. Once this is completed, turn the vehicle off to switch to the off-lock mode. It is critical to raise the vehicle securely on a lift so that all four wheels are free to rotate without obstruction. Following these steps assures an accurate foundation for the upcoming tests. Start the engine to proceed with diagnostics while ensuring that the vehicle peripherals are set correctly for testing. In this second step, disable the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) system by pressing the VSA off button to ensure it doesn't interfere with the test. Next, test drive the vehicle at speeds exceeding 19 miles per hour 30 kilometers per hour for at least 30 seconds. This simulates driving conditions under which the error may become apparent. This crucial step helps replicate the conditions when the error first occurred. After the test drive, bring the vehicle to a complete stop and check for any new diagnostic trouble codes using the HDS. If the P0716 code is confirmed, the failure has been successfully duplicated and you can proceed to further testing. Should there be no new codes, indicate an intermittent failure, suggesting the system may currently be functioning normally. Here, the focus shifts to checking the torque converter turbine speed sensor directly. This involves rotating the front wheels while the shift lever is in the D position, facilitating data comparison. Use the HDS to gather and review both the torque converter turbine speed and the input shaft drive pulley speed RPM values. It is important that these two speeds are approximately the same. This confirms normal operation of the turbine speed sensor. Should the values align closely, this may indicate that the sensor itself is functioning properly. But it is wise to check whether the powertrain control module, PCM, requires updating for software. If the speeds do not match, it hints at a possible fault in the sensor or wiring that requires rectification. If the speeds during the previous test indicated normal function but the issue persists, the next troubleshooting step is to consider updating the PCM software. Vehicle software updates can resolve compatibility or performance issues within the system, contributing to a smoother vehicle operation. If there is no improvement after updating, the next logical step is to substitute the existing PCM with a known good unit. This ensures you're able to identify whether the original PCM was at fault. Following any replacement or update, it is crucial to recheck for the P0716 code. If the code disappears after these steps, it confirms that the updates or substitutions have achieved successful repairs. In the event that the analysis from prior steps indicated a mismatch in speed readings, the logical resolution is to replace the torque converter turbine speed sensor. This sensor is vital for accurate transmission performance, and any defects can severely compromise drivability. After installation of the new sensor, it is crucial to redo the previous necessary tests to ensure proper functionality. These tests will determine if the new sensor provides consistent and accurate speed readings matching expectations. Finally, check the DTC status once again with the HDS to confirm that the P0716 code has been resolved. Successful resolution means improved system performance, allowing the vehicle to function as intended. The final verification of repair steps is essential to ensure that the P0716 code has been effectively resolved. Start by confirming that the vehicle operates without any abnormal symptoms post-repair. It is advisable to recheck overall vehicle performance to ascertain that normal operating conditions have resumed. If everything appears satisfactory, clear any remaining DTCs using the HDS once more. This final clearing allows the system to reset and ensures no lingering errors remain in memory. Continuous monitoring following repairs can affirm reliability and helps detect any future issues early, ensuring optimal functioning of the vehicle. Engaging in this thorough verification ensures confidence in the repair job completed. Preventive maintenance plays a pivotal role in ensuring long-term reliability of the input turbine speed sensor and surrounding electrical systems. Regular checks of the sensor can catch potential issues before they escalate into significant DTC errors, such as P0716. It's also important to periodically maintain electrical connections, ensuring they remain tight and corrosion-free to minimize signal disturbances. Furthermore, keeping the vehicle's software updated is essential as manufacturers frequently release updates that improve system functionality. By adopting these maintenance strategies, vehicle owners can enhance the overall durability and performance of the CVT system, ultimately extending vehicle lifespan and improving driving experience. In conclusion, the P0716 DTC represents a critical error related to the input turbine speed sensor in the Honda Fit. A clear understanding of the symptoms, potential causes, and troubleshooting steps is necessary to rectify this code effectively. By carefully following the diagnostics and ensuring that both the sensor and PCM are functioning optimally, it is possible to restore the vehicle to peak performance. Moreover, implementing preventive maintenance can help circumvent future occurrences of this issue, reinforcing the importance of regular vehicle inspections and updates. The overall goal is to maintain efficient functionality, enhance drivability, and ensure that the vehicle remains reliable for the driver. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.